Welcome to Infobooth 19 channel. Today we are going to see one Deepavali recipe which is murukku or chakli. It's a South Indian traditional recipe. I'm going to make using coconut milk, so it is going to add more extra flavored and the texture to the dish. So Deepavali means Deepam. So Deepam is like a victory of light over the darkness. We celebrate by lighting diyas at home. So there are many options of how we decorate as well. So in all my Deepavali recipes, I will be adding one flower decoration video as well. So hope it will be helpful, and let's start celebrating this wonderful festival of light. To start with, I have taken raw rice here. So for this recipe, we need raw rice. So 6 glasses of raw rice I have taken. Wash it well 3 to 4 times with water till the water comes clear. Use that water for watering your plants. Now we need to soak it for minimum 3 to 4 hours. So the soaking helps in making your chakli very soft and crisp. So after 4 hours of soaking, what we are going to do is just spread one towel or a bed sheet. Then you can just place this rice, remove it from water, and then we are going to dry it. So if you keep under fan, you need to keep at least for 1 to 1.5 hours. Let it get dried. So this urad dal is 1 cup. So for 6 cups of raw rice, 1 cup of urad dal. Urad dal 3 to 4 times nicely wash with water, and then you can dry it using the same method. Now it's been 1.5 hours since the rice has been dried. So if you see little bit in your hands, it should stick. So this is the right consistency. Now you can remove this rice and you can transfer into a mixer jar. So if you have a facility to go to the flour mill and get it grinded, that is an awesome thing. In mixer jar, that much fine powder it will not come generally. But since the quantity is less than 2 kg, here they will not take. So more than 2 kg only here they will take in our area. So that's the reason I had to do it in mixer. Now what we are going to do is first urad dal, just dry roast it. Once it gets dried completely, just dry roast it under low flame. Don't increase the flame, just fry it in the low flame till it starts turning to golden brown and nice aroma comes out from it. If moisture is there, it will not be good. So urad dal, after making to powder, if we fry, the texture we will lose it. That's why before making it to powder, we are going to fry it. So once it becomes like golden color and nice aroma comes, you can turn off the stove and you can keep it for cooling. Once it cools down completely, you can grind it to fine powder. Now our rice flour is ready. I have put in mixer jar and kept. So to avoid little bit of moisture which comes into the dish, so that's the reason we are just dry roasting it the low flame. Ensure that oil moisture is removed. It will take hardly 2 minutes. That's all, not more than that. Since the quantity is more, I am just frying it in 3 batches. I'll show you till at what point you need to turn off the stove. If you take in your hand and if you put, it should fall like sand without sticking to your hand. So at this stage you can turn off the stove. So similar way, other 2 batches also I have fried and kept aside. Ensure that it is cooled completely before you mix all the ingredients. So the rice flour is getting cooled, and similarly the urad dal also should get cooled. Sieve the mixture, sieve the flour, urad dal as well as rice dal so that the particles will not be there. If particles is there when you are pressing it in the mold, it will not come perfectly. So in a bowl, you can just mix the sieved rice flour and the urad dal. Just mix it well. You can add salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of jeera and 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. So black sesame seeds, it adds more flavor and good taste to the chakli. So don't miss this step. Once you add everything, we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Either you can melt and add, or you bring it to room temperature when it is soft and then you can add this butter. So this butter will give more smoothness to your chakli. Now I have taken 1 cup of coconut milk which is extracted from half coconut. So if you can take first milk and the second milk, you can mix it together and you can add it here. So when you are mixing it with the coconut milk, the texture will come nicely, and also it will be more flavorsome and it will taste very good. So once you mix it well, finally we are going to add water little by little and then bring it to the consistency. Now this is the texture. It should not be very tight. Dough should be little bit loose, then only it will come nicely. So this is the press I am going to use with 3 holes. So whatever you have you can use, but ensure that the hole should be little bit bigger. Now I have lined up with coconut oil. So just take little bit of coconut oil and just apply it all over the press so that it will come smoothly. And when you're filling the dough inside it, don't fill till the rim, just fill it 75% of it. In that way it will be perfect. You can take a big ladle, and you can apply some oil on the top, so that easily it will fall from your ladle to the oil, or else in a steel plate you can apply oil and then you can do it. So but this way will be very easy for beginners, that's why I am showing in this method. Otherwise you can even put it in the butter paper and then transfer into the oil. It's as per your wish and convenience. So ensure that the oil is hot, and when you're dropping this chakli, the oil should be in medium to low flame. Do not fry it in the high flame, otherwise it will get burnt easily. Drop it one by one, don't add more than 4 or 5 in a large pan. And always whenever you're preparing any snack, ensure that you take wide mouth pan, so that it will get fried nicely and it will get space to develop its flavor and to cook nicely. Once you drop, you start seeing lot of bubbles coming. So after some 2 to 3 minutes, all bubbles will reduce. At that point you need to remove the chakli from the oil. So now all oil bubbles stop. Now we can remove the chakli from the oil. Just use the strainer and you can do it. Similarly, you can fry all the chaklis. For me it took around 3 hours, because chakli will take around 3 to 4 minutes for it to get cooked. So you need to do it very patiently. Now quickly we will see one flower decoration and additional tip video. So if you have any corners in your house, so you can decorate it with diya or light. It gives more beauty and it gives more peacefulness. Whenever you see an actual festive mood, you will get it. So you can take any type of diyas which will fit in any of the corner, be it a corner in the puja room or in the entrance or wherever it is. These are some of the small ideas. Deepavali means Deepam only, because the main reason is like victory of the light over the darkness. So it's very necessary to light up our home. So these are some of the ideas. Make whatever decorations possible. Just bring the positivity to your home and make everybody happy. Make everyone smile. Whoever enters your home, just make them smile. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive, and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.